Being rich is one thing, but making sure your children and their children live as luxuriously as you do is a different challenge. This is what the 10 richest families in the world have managed to do. But before going into our list, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to stay updated on new videos. The Koch family holds the 10th spot, known for their immense wealth exceeding $68 billion. They're associated with opulence, spanning various sectors like energy and manufacturing, primarily through Koch Industries, the largest privately owned U.S. company, and a significant player in the global oil industry. Their influence extends to politics, with figures like Charles and David Koch contributing over $1.5 billion in the last decade to oppose climate change legislation and support the Republican Party. Their extravagant spending includes acquiring priceless artworks, such as Monet and Picasso masterpieces, and a $2.3 million purchase of an authentic Billy the Kid photograph. However, in the realm of extreme wealth, they're outspent by the wealthiest Indian family. On the 9th spot is the Ambani Family, India's wealthiest clan, known for their ultra-luxurious lifestyle amidst the country's income disparities. Led by Mukesh Ambani, their wealth of $85.1 billion primarily stems from Reliance Industries, a major conglomerate in India. Their luxurious residence, Antilia, valued at $2 billion, showcases their extravagance with its 27-story structure, featuring amenities like a private cinema, top-notch gym, and a snow room, all housed in a lotus-shaped building in Mumbai. Additionally, their garage boasts a collection of over 160 cars, including custom Rolls-Royces and limited-edition Bentleys. Despite their indulgent lifestyle, the Ambanis actively engage in philanthropy, generously supporting various charitable causes, reflecting their commitment to making a positive impact on society. However, in the context of the broader wealth hierarchy, their remarkable opulence appears relatively modest to this next family. Next up at number 8 is the Benton family. What sets them apart from many other wealthy families is that they owe their ultra-rich status to the late Lillian Bettencourt, a remarkable matriarch. Even though the Bettencourt were already a well-off noble family, with a history dating back to the 14th century, Lillian's leadership catapulted them to worldwide fame and immense wealth. At the time of her passing in 2017, Lillian was the richest woman globally, with a fortune of $44.3 billion. Today, the family's wealth exceeds a staggering $92.7 billion, mainly thanks to the iconic L'Oréal cosmetics empire. Françoise Bettencourt Myers, Lillian's daughter, now manages the L'Oréal business. She not only became the world's wealthiest woman, but also ranks among the top 10 richest people today, holding the 9th position with an estimated net worth of $92 billion. Despite their immense wealth, the Bettencourt family leads a relatively modest lifestyle. While they have expensive homes and cars and enjoy a luxurious life, they prefer to keep a low profile, relishing the peace and quiet that their vast fortune can provide. However, compared to our next featured family, the Bettencourt's spending habits might appear rather restrained. The Slim family, headed by Carlos Slim Helú, is the 7th richest family globally, worth a whopping $95.1 billion. Surprisingly, despite their wealth, they live quite modestly. Carlos Slim himself lives in a house he bought 40 years ago and limits his monthly salary to $24,000, avoiding lavish spending. His journey to wealth started at age 10, when he started selling snacks to friends. His major wealth comes from owning America Mobile, Mexico's largest mobile phone company, valued at $70.5 billion, along with successful investments. He's also incredibly generous, donating a significant part of his money to education, arts, and sports in Mexico, highlighting his self-made billionaire status, unlike the family we'll discuss next, who amassed their wealth in a rather different way. The Heimer family, ranking 6th, is well known for their immense wealth, earned by partnering with fashion icon Coco Chanel. Their extravagant lifestyle illustrates how wise money decisions can lead to great riches. The story began in 1920, when Pierre Wertheimer recognized Chanel's talent and helped her business grow. Despite an unfair deal favoring Wertheimer, their partnership flourished. During World War II, Chanel took over the company, but Wertheimer cleverly regained control afterward. When Chanel passed away, the family took over completely, using their understanding of the luxury market to make smart investments and expand their wealth. Today, Pierre's grandsons, Alain and Gérard, continue the family business by investing in luxury vineyards and global horse-breeding facilities. This success story started with a clever partnership and continues to thrive. In the fifth position is the Mars family, known for beloved candies like Snickers, Twix, and Mars bars. They began their candy-making journey in 1911, when Franklin Mars and his second wife ventured into the confectionery business. Despite facing challenges during World War I, they persevered, expanding beyond candies into the pet care market and investing nearly $9 billion. Today, the Mars Company boasts a value of approximately $45 billion and a workforce of over 130,000 globally. While the Mars family maintains their financial privacy, some of their notable purchases include John Mars acquiring the impressive Marbury Hall estate in England for around $50 million in 2007, renowned for its exquisite gardens and grand mansion. Additionally, their commitment to philanthropy shines through the Mars Foundation, established in 1965. Nonetheless, when viewed alongside the richest individuals, their wealth may appear less significant, for their company is primarily centered on selling expensive candy bars. Ranked at number 4, the Walton family's influence on American towns is significant, often hinging on the presence of a Walmart store rather than population size or local government status. This retail giant, founded by Sam Walton in 1962, has grown rapidly into a global empire, having over 11,000 stores across 27 countries and an estimated net worth exceeding $250 billion. Despite their immense wealth, the Waltons are often seen as down-to-earth individuals. However, they do indulge in occasional extravagances. For example, Sam Walton's daughter, Alice Walton, is an avid art collector. In 2011, she opened the Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art in Arkansas, showcasing her extensive collection, including a famous painting by artist Georgia O'Keeffe, which she acquired for a staggering $44.4 million. Beyond art, the Waltons channel their wealth into philanthropy, donating billions to various causes like education, healthcare, and environmental conservation. They actively contribute to the Walton Family Foundation, supporting initiatives aimed at enhancing the lives of individuals and communities. At the third spot, the Arno family is widely recognized for their vast wealth and extravagant way of life, impacting both the business and fashion worlds significantly. Led by Bernard Arnault, the family's head and the world's wealthiest individual, their wealth stands at nearly $240 billion. Their journey to affluence commenced in France, where Bernard assumed control of his father's construction company in the 1970s. Guided by his leadership, the family diversified their investments, venturing into the luxury goods sector. Their flagship venture, LVMH Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, houses prestigious brands such as Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Givenchy, establishing Bernard as a key figure in the industry. Their considerable wealth has enabled them to make lavish acquisitions, including a 150-year-old castle near Bordeaux and an 18th-century palace in Paris, amounting to a total of over $220 million. Despite their indulgences, they maintain a philanthropic spirit, contributing significant funds to charitable causes such as Notre Dame repairs and wildfire prevention in the Amazon jungle. Despite their substantial riches, the Arnolds occupy the third position in family wealth, underscoring the limitations of business brilliance in comparison to the extraordinary fortunes of the top two families on the list. Ranked at number 2, the Rothschild family's immense wealth, totaling a staggering $400 billion, has long been associated with conspiracy theories and rumors. Despite being portrayed as villains by some, their financial power remains unparalleled. The dynasty's roots trace back to the late 18th century in Frankfurt, Germany, where Meyer Amschel Rothschild established their banking legacy. Their expertise in banking and finance propelled them to prominence, expanding their operations across major financial centers in Europe. Today, they hold shares in numerous profitable businesses worldwide, engaging not only in banking but also in mining and construction. Their investments include major mining operations such as Glencore, Rio Tinto, and Agora Oil and Gas, collectively worth billions of dollars. Additionally, the family owns Arit Capital Partners and Le Champagne Financier, along with an extensive real estate portfolio valued at around $25 billion, including notable properties like Chateau Mouton Rothschild and Waddesdon Manor. While some luxury acquisitions, like Nat Rothschild's purchase of the Planet 9 super yacht for $102 million, make headlines, most family members maintain a private lifestyle, distinct from the flashy displays of the wealthiest family on earth. The AlSaud family, Saudi Arabia's royal household, stands atop the wealth ladder, embodying extraordinary affluence and luxury, with a staggering fortune of $1.4 trillion, surpassing even lottery winners. Their wealth primarily originates from the oil and energy trade, managing highly lucrative ventures in oil, gas, and energy resources collectively valued in trillions. Aramco, their flagship enterprise, reigns as the world's leading oil producer, contributing 15% to the global oil supply and valued at approximately $8 trillion. Beyond energy, their investments extend into major banks, telecommunications, and construction, ensuring diversification across sectors. Their lavish lifestyle, characterized by a fondness for all things golden, includes opulent cars, yachts, and extravagant decor. King Salman and Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, the family's patriarch and heir, respectively, exhibit this penchant for extravagance, owning multi-million-dollar properties and spearheading ambitious projects like Neom, a self-sustaining city initiative with a projected cost of $1.1 trillion. This unparalleled extravagance within the AlSaud family offers a captivating glimpse into unparalleled opulence, making it a compelling topic for deeper exploration. What do you think of the 10 richest families in the world? Do you think you could be as successful and wealthy as them one day? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel now and get notified every time a new video is out.